Hello folks, welcome back to the channel Honda Snowblower Enthusiast and Facebook. This is Anthony from your favorite Honda Snowblower channel. I've got some pretty good news today I want to share with everybody on the Honda groups and on the channel. This is a potential giveaway that we try to do every year for Christmas. Sometimes I can give more than a couple away, but this year the pickings have been kind of slim. But I got this in from out of town. I traveled a couple hours to go get it. The owner said it was sitting outside for years. It won't start, it won't run. He doesn't remember if it drives. But it doesn't look in too bad of a shape. So I'm going to go through this with you people as we go along in the next couple of weeks and see if we can get this this baby running again and working. So when I get a machine like this, I usually do the same thing every time. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the fuel, probably drain the fuel from the tank and the carburetor. It smelled kind of bad, so that's a clear red flag right there. Clean out the carburetor, check for spark, remove the spark plug and see if the spark plug sparks. Clean the carburetor here, underneath here. I can do it in frame, and then if it sparks, I'll see if I can get it started. If I put some carburetor spray in the intake and it almost starts, that's really good news. So then I can go from there. Then I'll install some fresh gas. I'll check the oil, of course. I always say check the oil, check the oil. So the oil on this doesn't even register on the stick. So, but the engine does turn over. I was able to turn over the engine, and it has electric start also. I don't know if the electric start works. That would be kind of nice if it does. But if I can get it running, I'm going to put some oil in here and start it up and let it warm up, and then I'm going to change the oil. And after I do that, if I can get that far on this Honda, I'll check the belts, and some parts are missing off this machine. The top plate's missing. The belly plate's missing. It's kind of dirty underneath the belly. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Down here, the belly's plate's missing. It's all dirty. It's got a bunch of junk in there, some pine needles, and so I'll probably get my pressure washer out, pressure wash this, and then start lubricating everything that moves. Now, if I can get it running, the next thing I want to determine is if it drives. See what the belt condition is. The augers don't look too bad, actually. They're not too... This one's... no, it's not too bent. It's bent a little bit. But the augers don't look too bad. You know, I was just going what the owner told me. You know, he had it running 3 or 4 years ago, which means it was probably running about 5 or 6 years ago. And then he just let it sit outside. You know, here's the original muffler, which is chrome, which is kind of nice. I'll clean that up. You know, and give it a general service. But what I'm going to do, folks, is that the next couple of weeks, I'm going to have articles on the Facebook group Honda Snowblower Enthusiast to show you the progress as we go along, and hopefully by the end of November, which is another 3 weeks. Maybe if all is good, then I'll make an announcement where we'll give it away in a drawing to one of the members of our Facebook group. So please stay tuned. Like and subscribe. We've got over 200 videos that can help you with just about any maintenance or repairs on your Honda snowblowers. And we'll see you next time.